Hi and welcome to this Texturino tutorial. I'm Alice and this episode will show you how to manage, categorise and export your textures through the Texturino panel. Most importantly, the Texture Manager enables you to categorise your textures into easy to find groups, as well as to share textures with colleagues using the export option. Overall, we'll cover category selection, opening the Texture Manager, creating a new category, labelling a texture as repeating or favourite, changing the sort field, and exporting, renaming and deleting textures. You've probably noticed the category drop-down menu on the texture panel. This provides us with a quick way to refine your search field. So if I were to select autumn-winter, I would only be able to scroll through textures I've categorised as autumn-winter. This can be refined further by unticking grey, colour, or non-repeating. If I open the Texture Manager, which is located in the Texture Panel's flyout menu, a dialog will open with a list of all your textures. It gives basic info on the file type and also whether it belongs in a category, is a repeating texture, or is a favourite. In order to label a texture, we need to select it from the list, then select a category or create a new one. We can also mark it as repeating, which means it will tile the texture, as well as a favourite. I'll press OK and show you how a texture can also be favourited by starring the thumbnail. If I open the Texture Manager again and show you how you might want to quickly change the sort field by clicking on the table headings. And you'll see they sort accordingly, which is really handy and also why it might be useful to label and favourite your textures. Another useful aspect is the ability to select and export multiple textures to a colleague. So if I make my selection, click Export, then navigate to where I want them to be saved, and press Open, they will export as PNGs. If I return back to the Texture Manager, I've noticed that I've accidentally uploaded similar images. So I'm going to delete one copy by selecting and then pressing the trash can, and then the other copy I'm going to rename. That's it for this tutorial. Overall, we've covered category selection, opening the Texture Manager, creating a new category, labelling textures as repeating or favourite, changing the sort field, and exporting, renaming and deleting a texture. Check out the next tutorial in order to understand how you can further refine the texture tool with its advanced settings. All our plugins are available for free trial via our website astutegraphics.com.